Hello friends, my name is K.N. Prashant Kumar and Management, Chikmagalur. Today our 4th semester BCom, Kuvempu University of Management of Banking Operation and Banking New Technology in the topic Internet Banking. What is Internet Banking? A system allowing individuals to perform banking activities at home via new and traditional banking products and services directly to customers through electronic interactive communications channels. Some online banks are traditional banks which also offer online banking, while others are online only and have no physical presence. What is the development of e-banking? The concept of internet banking has been simultaneously evolving with the development of the World Wide Web. Programmers working on banking data bases came up with ideas for online banking transactions sometime during 1980s. The online shopping promoted the use of credit cards through internet. The first online banking services in United States was introduced in October 1994. The service was developed by Stanford Federal Credit Union, which is a financial institution. In May 1995, Wells Fargo, the first bank in the world to offer customer access to their accounts over the internet, allows customers to see their accounts online. The online banking services are becoming more and more prevalent due to the well-developed system. So WCI was the first bank to initiate internet banking revolution in India as early as 1997 under the brand name kicked off online banking way back in 1996. But even for the internet as of 1996 to 1998 marked the adoption in 1999 due to the lower ISP online charge and technically friendly information only system. General purpose information like interest rates, location, bank products and their features, loan and deposit calculations are provided in the bank's website. There exists facilities for downloading various types of application forms. The communication is normally done through email. There is no interaction between the customer. Identification of the customer is done in this system. There is no possibility of any unauthorized person getting into production system of the bank through internet. So electronic EITS, that means the system in the form of account balances, transactions details, still largely of the read-only format. Identification and the information is fetched from the bank's application system either in batch mode or offline. Application system cannot directly access through the internet. System allows bi-directional capabilities. Transactions can be high degree of security and control. In this environment, web server application systems are linked over secure structure. It compromises technology covering computerized bank payment gateway and legal infrastructure. So ATM is designed to perform the most important function operated with its special features. The plastic card is replacing banking hours restrictions and paper-based verification. E-banking, online bill payment, shopping, booking, prepaid mobile, recharge, investment services and online applications. So services provided by the State Bank of India. So it is a India. So the Indian State Bank of India give the services to the customers. The first is self account funds transfer across in India. Third party transfers in the same branch. Next is new account opening, new checkbook request, railway ticket bookings, utility bill payments, LIC and other insurance premium payments, credit card dues payments, deposit over taxes, donation to Red Cross and such other organization. So next is, what are the e-banking services provided by the ICICI? The bill payment, fund transfer, account information, smart money order service request, convert to EMI account to card transfer, prepaid mobile recharge, account transfer. So what are the advantages of e-banking? So the benefits for bankers. Next is benefits for the small to medium business, benefits to the customers. So what are the benefits for the banks? Larger customers coverage, reducing the cost of operations, promoting their services and products internationally, increasing the customer satisfaction and providing a personalized relationship with customers. So what are the benefits for a small to medium business? To run its operations more effectively, lower cost than traditional financial management mechanism. So benefits for the customers. So what are the benefits for the customers by e-banking facilities? Convenience to 24 hours a day, 7 days week, nothing but 24/7, cost reducing transfer fee, speed, faster circulation of assets, competitiveness, fostering competition in financial market, communicate easily, abolishing the uses of paper, offering one-stop solution. What are the disadvantages of e-banking? A need for customer skill to deal with computers and browsers. Many people who are not comfortable with computers and the internet often find it difficult to use internet banking. For beginners, internet banking is really time consuming. In many instances, a simple mistake like clicking a wrong button may create a big problem to the customers. So what is the security risk? So increasing the number of fraudulent bank website, for example, a suspicious bank website like www.sbionline.com. Next is website www.onlinesbi.com. Fake emails purporting to be sent from a bank. Emails sent by the fraudulent bank verify the personal information, guide customer enter the fraud link, disclosing their ATM card numbers and their passwords. So what are the precautions taken by the bank for e-banking? The banker should provide a specific guidance to their customer, should take adequate measures to ward off any problems related to the security of internet banking. Online banking tutorials should be provided to help familiarize people with internet banking. So what are the precautions for the customers? Should not disclose their customer IDs, PIN, example account numbers, PIN words or passwords to the anyone else. Periodically change their passwords or PIN number. Should promptly log out from the services. Should regularly check their account balances and statements to identify unusual transactions. Okay, thank you.